had Chrome unexpectedly crash, taking all your precious tabs with it? First, let's make sure Chrome is set up to remember your open pages. Click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the Chrome menu. Then select Settings. In the Settings menu, look on the left sidebar and click on the On Startup option near the bottom. You'll see three options. Make sure the radio button next to continue where you left off is selected. This tells Chrome to automatically reopen your previous browsing session whenever you restart. Now, let's say Chrome crashed or didn't restore your tabs properly. Go back to the Chrome menu, the three dots at the top right, and this time select History. If you recently closed Chrome tabs, the names of those tabs will appear under Recently Closed. Click on the names of those tabs to retrieve them individually. If you do not see the tabs under Recently Closed, click on History. This will open your full browsing history, showing you all the websites you visited. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the specific pages you're looking for. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can restore your lost Chrome tabs and continue browsing seamlessly, avoiding the frustration of lost data and browsing sessions.